like to share with you some of our programs which you may also want to adopt in your respective areas. Number one, we have embarked on an awareness drive across the malls. Number two, we have increased the frequency on disinfecting our comfort rooms and commonly contacted surfaces like our door handles, elevator buttons, escalators, handrails, etc. Number three, we have provided sufficient and accessible infection control supplies in our malls such as hand hygiene products, alcohol dispensers, in addition to liquefied antibacterial soap. Number four, we have also induced air change or the introduction of fresh air daily inside all air-conditioned space in the mall. Number five, we have increased our frequency of cleaning and changing aircon filters. Number six, we have made our clinics accessible for on-site information, assessment, and care for our employees and customers. Number seven, we have conducted orientation seminars with our employees and released travel guidelines. And number eight, we have also established a pandemic preparedness team and emergency communication plan, which includes identification of key contacts and a chain of command required to maintain business operations by location and by function. In conclusion, we share these strategies with you, our customers, our partners, because the responsibility to care for people is not just a task of one, but many. But we know we can overcome such a pandemic as we collaborate shared efforts towards a common goal. Truly, there must be a conscious effort by all to care for health of one another. And we would not be here if not for you. Truly, we hope to reach out because SM cares. Thank you, and we look forward to doing more activities with you. And so with that, once again, gusto ko pong pasalamatan lahat kayo na nagpunta dito sa hapong ito. Alam ko yung iba po, like si Tita Des, ang PIO, ang DepEd po, ang City Health Office, Red Cross, lahat po kayo, kahit bumabagyo, nagpunta po dito sa SM, isang tawag lang po, kayo ay nandito sa amin. And we appreciate so much your support in all the activities of SM, especially SM Batangas. To all our affiliates, to all the tenants who participated, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Of course, to marketing department who have planned everything for this event. Of course, our PR, si Miss Leia. Sa lahat po, sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Hanggang sa susunod po na proyekto ng SM Supermalls ng SM City Batangas. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you, Ms. Mina, and in behalf of the people here, ako po ay malimit sa SM, ay maraming salamat po sa conscious effort of, sa paglilinis, sa lahat, making SM our second home. Ayan, maraming salamat po. And thank you to all. This has been your host for this afternoon. My name is Noel Silang. Stay clean because clean is fun. Okay? Maraming salamat po.